I call on the Honourable Prime Minister. You have the floor, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to once again apologize for my role in the incident involving Honourable Tikundondua, which was recently taken up by the Privilege Committee. As you've heard, Mr. Speaker, and as you know, Honourable Tikundondua is a man I've known for decades. A man who once served as my personal staff officer before, during, and the events of 2000, and subsequently as my permanent secretary. He, of course, then became a senior member of my cabinet in the 51st government after the historical elections in 2014. As my personal staff officer, he spent many hours in my home with my family. He is a man I once felt was part of my family. He was a comrade in many changes we brought about in Fiji. We have a history. Today, we find ourselves on different sides of the political aisles. But our history as friends and colleagues, taken with the statement he made about my family, are why I reacted as I did the morning of Friday, 9th August 2019. I fully admit that I momentarily and spontaneously let my emotions and the love of my family get the better of me. My actions were not appropriate and should not have happened. Indeed, Mr. Speaker, sir, soon after the incident happened, I realized my mistake and came to you immediately to apologize to you, to Parliament, and to Honourable Tikundondua. It is unfortunate that Honourable Tikundondua was not available to receive my apology in person, nor has he made himself available in subsequent attempts. Regardless, Mr. Speaker, I offer my unreserved apologies to him, to my colleagues, to the Parliament, and to you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for my actions. I regret this event has caused us distractions from the vital work of the Parliament in advancing the well-being of all Fijians. I look forward to getting back to the national business of this August Parliament and to upholding the high standards of conduct the Fijian people deserve and expect from those elected to serve their interests. Thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir.